Terra Classic is up huge. Let's talk about why that is and the latest news coming out on Terra Classic that you need to know in this video. Make sure you guys watch until the end of the video so you don't miss out on this extremely important news I'm about to give to you guys. And also leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And also you won't miss out on any more of this Terra Classic content. But other than that, let's get into this video. So Terra Classic currently up 36% on the day. It's up 40% more than Bitcoin and 41% more than Ethereum. In terms of market cap, their market cap has increased significantly, with the price obviously increasing as well, with them being at the 213th biggest crypto in the world, with a $575 million market cap and a volume of about 529 million, which is up 315% over the past 24 hours. Now, you guys are aware that I have been asking the community for more volume. Obviously, I don't have too much pull in the Terra Classic community, but we do make a good amount of videos and get a good amount of views every day on it. But I've been saying we need to have over $100 million in volume, because for a span there, we went about 10 days with being under $100 million in volume, and you're only going to see about 3 to 5% moves in price if that is the case. Well, today we have seen a massive increase in volume, all the way to 315%. We're up 315% to 520 million. And yesterday was about 139 million. So our volume is now trending in the right direction, as well as the price. So everything is looking pretty good here, but you guys know I have been begging for Terra Classic to get more of this volume, and it looks like I finally got my wish. And the volume was moving in the right direction, as well as the price. So everything looking pretty good here, but let's talk about why this is up. Also, I do want to mention Terra Classic USD, or UST, that is now USTC, is basically the old stablecoin UST. It's now USTC. They are also up 48%, as some people think that this might make a recovery. There is a plan to get this back to a $1 peg, but it has not been, it has not been put into place yet. There's just been rumblings of a plan to get this back to $1. So if you guys are interested in, possible recovery of this, it is up 48% today. And you can see over these past 7 days, it was less than a cent. It's now at about 2 cents. So we have seen a pretty big increase in this USTC's price, but we'll talk about that more in a later video today. But let's talk about why Terra Classic is up so much. But first, I do want to mention you can get a free stock when you deposit just $1 on public.com with the first link in the description. Public.com is a social investing app where you can see what we're investing in and different investors are investing in. So go ahead and get signed up to public.com. Deposit $1, you get up to $300 worth of free stock with the first link in our description. But anyways, let's talk about it. So the reason that we just saw this massive increase in price was for a couple of reasons. One, we did break out of our resistance, and basically we had a pretty big technical breakout, but that came after the Prop 356 update. Basically, we now had the full test net up and running, testing the burn tax code. So if you guys don't know, there was a proposal that was passed a while ago. We've made a lot of videos on this. Basically, the proposal was to have a 1.2% burn tax on all transactions in the Terra ecosystem. So basically, if it's on an exchange and you buy or sell Terra, 1.2% of that money will be burned, and that will be taken out of the circulating supply. Why do we want to do this, you might ask? It's to get this supply down. Right now it's at 6.5 trillion. We want to get this circulating supply down to 10 billion Lunc, so that if we have a $100 million market cap, which we already have more than, we could get to 1 cent basically. Or if we got to a $10 billion market cap, we could get to $1 eventually. So that's the reason why we want to be burning. But anyways, the reason we kind of are having a good day today, or a good day, is one, we broke out of our technicals, but also is because this burn tax is now up and running, and we could see these burns start to get implemented here soon. So everyone's really hyped up about that. Another thing actually, a hacktivist group Anonymous set sights on Kwon after a Luna meltdown. They basically sent out a video. If you guys don't know, Kwon was the CEO of Terraform Labs, which basically ran Terra Luna. Well, now they run Terra Luna 2.0, not Terra Classic, so you guys don't got to worry about that. But basically, this group said it'll ensure that Terra founder Kwon is brought to justice in a new YouTube video. Anonymous listed all of Kwon's alleged crimes, including taking 80 million monthly from the Terra ecosystem. Part of the video transcript reads, Kwon, if you're listening, sadly there's nothing that can be done to reverse the damage that you have done. At this point, the only thing that we can do is hold you accountable and make sure that you're brought to justice as soon as possible. There's no doubt that there are many more crimes to be discovered in your trail of destruction. So basically, Anonymous is trying to be the good guys and help bring him to justice. I'm not going to speculate on whether or not he did do anything illegal, just because I'm not sure. I don't know for sure yet, and I don't want to catch a lawsuit. But Anonymous is on it, guys, so just so you guys know about that. And like I said earlier, Terra USTC jumped 300%, lands back in the top 100 cryptos. So yeah, you can see here they were in the top 100 cryptos. They're now ranked 126 after they've fallen a bit more. But yeah, basically newly launched token, according to the data, USTC's total market cap added around $200 million in the last 24 hours. It was at 402 million. It's less now. The meant to be stablecoin has now grabbed the 84 largest spot. But basically, a huge amount of funds inflew in the past hours. Terra Classic's market cap has increased by 208 million. So the market cap increased at one point all the way 200 million. So that is extremely good to see. But yeah, I mean, Terra's collapsed stablecoin USDC went up 300%. This instant spike has led to the token to again enter the top 100 cryptocurrencies. So yeah, basically that's all that we have going on in the Terra sphere. But let's talk about this real quick. So you can actually see here that we do have a free section on our private Discord. If you guys join with the second link in the description, all you have to do is get joined up to Bro Club Trading, and you are going to get free stock options and crypto alerts with that second link in the description. Go ahead and get joined up there. But let's get into this technical analysis. So if you guys don't know, we actually had a pretty big resistance here at the 63 level. So when we eventually came up to that level in today at the 63 level, and we broke above it, I knew that we were about to be on a rocket. So we broke that resistance. We came back down, had a bit of a bull flag, broke out of that bull flag, and had just a pretty good day. And then around 11, I believe, 11 this morning, we saw another big increase in price. And now it looks like we're trading in this kind of large bull pennant. So we could actually break out and see even more in gains. Possibly we'll have to see what happens. But if we do break out of this bull pennant here, we could see increases all the way up to about the, oh shoot, I went to Luna. We could see increases all the way to about the 10 area. So we could see another 10 to 15% gains from this area. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe and watch like and subscribe and get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section on our private Discord, the second link in the description. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.